You guys, so I decided to jump on YouTube again for the 100th time. And I know every time I take a long break, I'm like, I won't do it again. Actually, no, I stopped saying that a few years ago because I think I know myself. I like YouTube, and then when it stopped serving me, I kind of stopped doing it. That's the truth. Like if it starts becoming like, you know, stressful and that sort of thing, I stopped doing it. But this time around, I think it was mostly because my old laptop was kind of acting up and stuff like that. And so I was having a difficult time editing videos and trying to figure out, you know, storage, memory, storage stuff on my laptop. And so I kind of just got, you know, out of it. But that's since changed. I have a new computer, so I don't have that as an excuse anymore. But what else has been happening? I decided to tell you guys what's been happening before I post other content from last year, because I think I do have videos from right up until I gave birth to Bo, and so I will probably post it if it makes sense and if it's not too daunting, and I might do it slowly. I don't know, we'll see. In any case, yeah, what's been going on? So yes, so I gave birth to my son. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know, you've met him already. He's really smart, he's really funny, he's really cute, says every parent ever. But yeah, like we have such a great kid, and we feel lucky. Every day we're still kind of looking at him like, oh my god, is he ours, kind of thing. So yeah, I'm genuinely happy, and yeah, especially because it was so hard for us to get here, and now that we're here, no matter how much energy it takes out of us, we still, like, literally every single day we're like looking at him and just like, wow, like that's ours, you know, that's our son, you know. Anyways, so I'll do videos about that probably in the next little while. So if you haven't met him, you'll get to meet him soon. And then what else? My hair, oh yeah, my hair is going well. I mean, I probably need to do a wash and retighten. So I still have the micro locks. I'm really happy that I did them. I still feel very happy that I did them, because honestly, like, it's the best thing that I could possibly do for my hair. Low maintenance, no drama. And I usually am good with the retightening, but the last retightening that I did, I waited too long. I think I'm supposed to wait about a month. But honestly, I haven't yet gotten a good rhythm of it. Like, I've just kind of done it whenever it feels like I need to do it and when I have time. But yeah, but it's growing really well, and I'm gonna do videos about that as well. So I'll be doing hair videos. And what else can I tell you? I started working out again because your girl put on weight, not because of the pregnancy. Like, I didn't put on much weight when I was pregnant, and I will do a video about that. Like, it's so bizarre, but when after I gave birth for that first month, I looked like I was like less than my pre-pregnancy weight. So because I didn't really have the most indulgent pregnancy food wise. Like, I kept throwing up. I had hyperemesis or whatever it's called, and so I just, oh no, that's not what it's called. Anyway, the vomiting thing, like, I kept vomiting all the time, and so I didn't really gain weight. But when I did gain weight, it was after the delivery. So I had a hospitalization situation, I had some medical things happen, and then I was a new mom, so I was just at, like, I was not doing anything like moving around, and I was very excited to be eating, so I ate everything that I could without any reservation, and I was breastfeeding, so then that made me even more hungry, so I gained a lot of weight. Anyway, all this to say, I am now working out with a personal trainer, and I'm hoping to, at the very least, get back to my pre-pregnancy weight by this summer. If not, I mean, if I manage to do that, then that would be great. But yeah, I'll do a video about my working out situation, which has been going really well. What else? And yeah, and I'm also starting to think about going back to work. I'm still on mat leave, and in theory my mat leave is 18 months, so but I want to go back at 12 months if I can. And so just so that I can kind of ease my way back into my my work life. And I can't really talk a lot about my work situation right now because there are some moving parts to it, I guess, so to speak. But the point is, I'm thinking about going back to work. So it's been, yeah, like I'm starting to think about, oh yeah, childcare and all that kind of stuff, and separation anxiety for myself, but also for Bo. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And we have a lot of progress, I guess, in our house now. Like, we finished our washroom for the most part. I'll say 95% it's done. We just decided to change the floor again, so we have to redo that, or Morgan has to. But other than that, like, it looks really, really nice. And we have mostly sort of like a decent looking upstairs. Like, our main floor is really, you know, getting better in terms of decor and things like that. It's not there yet, but the last time I think I recorded a video, our place was like crazy, and it felt that way. Our basement is crazy, but like upstairs feels, you know, nice. Yeah, so that's pretty much it in terms of updates. I think I probably forgot some things, but I just wanted to kind of jump on here and just do a quick type of like video, so that I'm not like just bombarding with old content or new content without context. But I think moving forward, my videos are gonna be not like, I'm gonna try not to edit my videos. I'm just gonna do one taping, which I kind of like channels like that, where they don't edit, like over edit. I like the old YouTube style kind of thing, where someone just turns on the camera and just starts recording and then stops when they stop. And that makes life easier for me in terms of editing and being able to upload, because I can't do the editing thing. Like, I just can't. I don't have the time right now. So yeah, so I think that's what I'm going to try and do for the next little while, starting with this video. Right now it says 7 minutes, and I'll try and cap them at maximum 10. And yeah, so be ready to sit through pauses or ums and ums. But yeah, that's just that's just the way it is. I'm really excited about being back on YouTube now, and I'm mostly also doing it so that I can document this part of my life, which I wish I had documented better the last 9 months, but I guess in some ways I just needed the time to just be. I did do a pretty decent job of posting on Instagram in terms of like my kids' development and stuff like that, and I want to keep doing that as well, so maybe I'll get to do that here as well. But yeah, let me know how you guys are doing, if you're still watching. Oh yeah, for those who joined my channel while I was on this hiatus, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'm sorry that I haven't posted videos. To those who've been subscribed before that, thank you for sticking around. But yeah, I'm really sorry that I haven't posted much in the last couple of months, but it's just what it is. But I'm really glad to see my channel grow. I remember feeling like, oh my god, I used to have like 100 subscribers, and I was so excited about 100 people watching or subscribed to my channel. But now I'm like, oh yeah, I've got more than that now, so it feels really great. And yeah, I want to try and see if I can be more consistent with this, which is what I say most of the time. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, which hopefully will be soon. My plan is to be uploading 3 times a week or twice a week. I haven't decided, but we'll see. Let's just kind of go with the flow and just see how things go rather than promise things, right? Yeah, let's do that. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.